A very good afternoon to one and all present here. So, I welcome you all for my session today. So, this is Dr. Ishita Auddy, Assistant Professor of Department of Food Technology, Global Campus, Jain University. And this is my mail ID given here. So, I have been appointed here for the course Advanced Food Chemistry. So, when we are speaking about the food chemistry subject, so it's a very important part of our everyday life. So, this subject is going to speak about all the major and the minor components of the food and even the structure of the different components and which are being used in our daily lives. So, apart from this, again, the subject is going to help you all to give an idea about how you are analyzing any food components. So, this is going to help you when you are going for any research work, especially for any new fruit product development, or you are in any food labs. For example, like any FSSI aggregated labs or any food industries like your Nestle, your ITC. So all these companies, labs, you can work by knowing this subject. So let's start with our first module, that is the carbohydrate. So, this carbohydrate is one of the major components of our food items, and yes, we are every day we are consuming carbohydrates. So, it's abundantly present in our daily life, and it's act as a primary source of energy to our body. So all these sources are the carbohydrates, like rice or any cereal products, okay, right, like your bread or any of the bakery items and even your ready to food items. So all these items, they are abundantly present with a lots of carbohydrates. So if you look into the nutritional energy value of for each grams of carbohydrate, so each gram of carbohydrate will give you an energy value of 17 kilocalorie per gram or kilojoule per gram. So if you are going to see the structure, so mostly three components are present in the carbohydrate. One is your carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and whereas the hydrogen and the oxygen are mostly in the ratio of 2:1. So if you see the general elemental composition, it is C6H2OY. So for example, glucose is a carbohydrate. So if you are seeing the general elemental composition, the carbon atoms along with the hydrogen and oxygen, they'll have a same ratio as that of your water. So mostly all the carbohydrate sources will have a suffix of O's. Like for example, fructose, so that is a fruit sugar, maltose, that is a malt sugar, and lactose, that is a milk sugar. So for any other queries, please let me know in my given mail ID. So thank you for your attention.